Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another grocery haul, which I'm kind of starting to like, and it seems like you guys might like it a little bit too. And you know, you gotta grocery shop, you gotta eat. So bought some new things this week. I want to try some new dishes, some things new, some things I just know and love. So let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna start with the cold stuff first so I can get them in the fridge. First here we have some 20 to 25 raw shrimp, about a pound, yeah, about a pound, and it was $12.23 for this pound. So put these in the fridge. Not gonna refreeze them, they've already been frozen. And I have some whole, I don't call them green beans, I call them string beans. So have some frozen string beans, yay yay. I can't wait for this. This is for dinner tonight. So stay tuned for this video. But I got some salmon, and these were the last two pieces of salmon. So they're not my, you can't really see them, but they're not like my ideal. They're a little bit thinner than I'd want, but they're pretty wide, so it's okay. I always get skin on salmon. Like, unless I'm making maybe like little salmon fried nuggets, which I never made, but I considered making. Then maybe only then, but only like skin on salmon. So I was happy there was 2 fillets left. So happy with that. And this is about a pound. Yeah, about a pound. And I got it for, so it was $7.99. So I guess it was on sale. It says regular price was $9.59. Maybe he gave it to me for $7.99. I didn't see anything about it being on sale, but the guy behind the counter was nice. So shout out to the guy at Acme behind the counter. Go get that job, that other job you want, baby. They ain't treating you right. Moving on, we have some chicken thighs. Y'all know I like chicken thighs, and to me they're the more affordable cut of chicken. I mean drumsticks too, but I just don't like drumsticks. I don't know what it is. I just don't like drumsticks. I'd much rather do chicken thighs, and chicken wings be too expensive. So, oh, these 4 chicken thighs were $6.64. I just got the cheapest one I could find because I don't care about how much it weighs that much. Let's see what else we have in here. Also got my Cooper Sharp cheese. Very particular about my white cheese. Yellow cheese, yeah, I'll do Kraft, you know, singles or whatever. I don't care if they're fake cheese. But when I want real cheese and white cheese, Cooper Sharp. And I've got the ones that are already like pre-cut, whatever, like across from the deli guys, whatever. So for a pound of it, $10.39. But it's worth it. Like, especially if you're making a cheesesteak at home or something, I need to have Cooper Sharp. I need to have Cooper Sharp. What else we have? I have some baby carrots, and I like baby carrots because they're like a good snack, plenty of fiber, and I like them with peanut butter. Like, I know people might do ranch too. Ranch is okay, but I like these with peanut butter. So I got these for my little work snack. I think I'll put this down here. Put these in here. And we have, finally got myself to get this. I got some minced garlic paste. A lot of the recipes that I watch use garlic paste, and I think my least favorite garlic is like minced garlic in a jar. It's convenient, I guess, whatever. But I think minced garlic might be better. So I'm either gonna have fresh garlic in my stuff or minced garlic paste. So can't wait to try this out and see how easy it is to use. And then of course I had to get some Parmesan cheese because I like to shave it myself. And this is gonna go on something I make tonight. Now let's just find out what. Okay, next bag we have more of the produce stuff. Don't mind these. These were $1 at the checkout. Like, I always get suckered in to get something in the checkout. Got some red potatoes, which I'm going to roast tonight with some garlic. Can't wait for that. Fresh garlic though. Actually, I'm gonna keep these out. I'm really about to cut those like now, right after this. Well, I got this, but I'm really gonna use it as lettuce. Just already cut up lettuce in my opinion. So got tomato too, go with that lettuce. Nice big tomato. Some apples. I got 4. These are, I think they're honey, yeah, they're Honey Crisp. I like anything besides Red Delicious. Red Delicious apples are just not good to me. I'm sorry. I have asparagus. I'm gonna be making this asparagus tonight. I want to make it like so this like it's like a really short video on YouTube of Gordon Ramsay and how he makes asparagus. It's like 50 seconds, but I never thought to make it that way and it looks so good. So I'm gonna try that out tonight with the salmon and the red potatoes going down. That's some sweet potatoes. Yes, yes. I'm gonna be making some. Well, anyway, I'm gonna be making a dish with this. Not today, but this week. I got some oranges. Oranges are also going to be for a dish later this week. So I really got these to cook. I might eat one of them if I only need to use one for the recipe, but we shall see. I also have some bananas because I always got to get a couple bananas. I learned not to get like a whole bunch of bananas because I don't always eat all of them. Then they go bad and then I feel bad. It's just all bad. It's just all bad. And last in this bag, I got some fresh garlic because I want to cut up some fresh garlic to go with my roasted red potatoes. All right, one more bag. Now I got some baking soda. This is multi-use. I used to, when I was younger, my mom kind of showed me to like, after you brush your teeth with toothpaste, of course, brush them with a little bit of baking soda to help with the whitening. So, but I'm also gonna use this for a recipe. I got my dairy stuff. Got some whipped butter. I haven't got whipped butter in so long, but they're gonna go with something that I make later this week. And I don't need a lot of milk, but just, oh, actually both of these are going to what I'm making later this week. So got some milk. Since I don't really drink milk, like cow milk like that, I get the smallest milk possible, just enough for the recipe that I'm gonna use it for, because I'm not gonna drink it otherwise. We have some unsalted butter as needed, some heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna use that today with my little cream sauce for my salmon. I'm gonna make a nice little like Cajun cream sauce for my salmon tonight. It's gonna be so good. I need some type of juice. I don't like drinking a lot of sugary things. Like I like to just pretty much stick to water, but sometimes you can't help a Capri Sun. And Capri Sun's only 50 calories and 11 grams of sugar. That's not bad compared to juices and sodas. So actually I'm gonna take those out the box because I'm not putting that dirty box in my refrigerator. So I'm gonna take those out the box, put them in there individually. Get out of here. Also got some apple cider vinegar for a recipe I'm making, and a maple extract. Now you know this is for a recipe. Never drank a maple extract. Oh, they said add the extract to pancake batter. That's a good idea. Muffins, oatmeal cookies. I'm gonna have to make some more raisin cookies now. But this is gonna come in handy all fall season. Watch, by January, this might be done. It might be done. Got some good avocado oil. Now this is gonna be for when I sear my salmon tonight. Much better. If you're gonna have salmon, like I don't wanna, not saying it's gonna ruin it, but if I'm gonna have salmon, I don't wanna use olive oil because it burns too fast. It doesn't have a high smoking point. I don't wanna use vegetable oil because, I don't know, I think salmon's better than that. So I got avocado oil. Has a high smoking point, but also healthier for you. And vegetable oil is questionable. Like what, like, I think they use that for some like crazy shit. I had to have my Crystal hot sauce. Don't give me no red, hot, whatever. Don't give me no, definitely no Tabasco sauce. Tabasco sauce is not hot sauce. It's pepper sauce. It's a difference. This is that straight Louisiana pure hot sauce. Gotta have my Crystal. And I've been on a maple kick, so I think it was that maple popcorn is what started it from Trader Joe's. That's what started it. But I was like, you know what? I do want some real maple syrup. And it was on sale. So, you know, can't really beat that. Also got some stuff from Walmart because I couldn't find it in the store at Acme. So I ordered from Walmart. But it looks like my Instacart shopper got it. So once that comes, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Walmart. Not much really. Okay guys, we're back. Got my Walmart order. Walmart's probably the only place that still uses plastic bags, but what are you gonna do? Oops, hold on. All right. I don't know why I don't feel complete when I don't have like freezer bags for stuff. So now this is the main thing. Yes, they have it. It's so hard to find this. This is the Better Than Bouillon seasoned lobster base. So hard to find this. Literally, I think Walmart was the only place that had it. Chicken base, vegetable base, beef base, roasted beef base. No one has lobster base, but Walmart had it. So can't talk too much about Walmart. This was the reason why I even got the order in the first place. This and one more thing, but it's so hard to find, so I'm so happy I found it. This is gonna go on a little cream sauce that I'm gonna make. Oh, that's what that was. The girl was just banging on someone's door and saying, "You better open this door." But by the time my nosy ass got to the door, she was already in someone's apartment. Anyway, Better Than Bouillon lobster base. I'm excited for this. Now, what else we got? Also got these little, Walmart brand, whatever they have, Equate nighttime soothing makeup towels. I haven't got these in a while. I've been like just using a rag, but it doesn't take my lipstick off like I wanted to. Then I also got Walmart because I wanted some ginger paste. Surprisingly, it's hard to find ginger paste. And Acme had like a spot where they would keep the ginger paste, but it was all gone. Who knew so many people use ginger paste? And lastly, just some reduced sodium chicken broth. Obviously, I have chicken thighs. I'm not gonna make the same chicken dish I made before. Like I have a video of like a creamy chicken Tuscan or something dish I made earlier in one of my videos. I'm not gonna make that again, but I'm gonna make something with like baked chicken. That was like a stovetop chicken dish. I want to do baked chicken, and I just feel like I know I'm gonna want to use some chicken broth if I do baked chicken. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. That is my grocery haul for this week. I have 3 recipes in mind that I'm definitely gonna be making this week, so stay tuned for all of them because I will be posting them. All right, so hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.